from BCom second year in GDC Dubbak. As a part of JIGNASA student study project, we have chosen a topic. The title is Fertilizer Urea Distribution App, Impact on the Dubbak Agricultural Area. It is supervised by a non-general lecturer in Computer Science and Applications in GDC Dubbak. So these are my teammates, Arshia, Srinija, Spandana, Ayesha and Pravalika. The next part will continue by Arshia.
Thank you, Soumya. Aims and objectives. The aim of our study project is to study the role of Fertilizer app in providing a transparent and convenient fertilizer distributive system in Dubbak agricultural area. The objectives are app functioning, to understand the structure and the working of Fertilizer Urea distribution app, system comparison, to compare the traditional manual fertilizer distributive system with the digital app-based system, farmers' convenience, to analyze the levels of convenience and accessibility experienced by the farmers after app implementation, transparency, to examine the improvement in transparency and subsidy utilization through the digital monitoring, benefits and challenges, to identify the benefits of the fertilizer app and the challenges faced by the farmers, distributive efficiency, to assess the efficiency of distribution through the fertilizer app. Thank you. The next part will be continued by Pravalika.
Thank you, Ashita. Statement of the project. Farmers depend on timely availability of urea fertilizer. The traditional distribution causes black marketing, delay and lack of transparency. So government introduced the fertilizer app for digital distribution. However, digital literacy and accessibility issue may affect its effectiveness. Hence, this study examines the impact and challenges of the fertilizer app in Dubbak agriculture area. Thank you. The next part will be continued by Srinija.
Thank you, Pravalika. Research methodology. In this study, a descriptive research design was used to analyze the impact of fertilizer app on farmers in Dubbak agriculture area from Siddipet district. The data for the study was collected from 27 farmers and 7 fertilizer vendors and 3 agricultural officers. The both primary and secondary data was used in this research. The primary data was collected through some questionnaires and interviews, while secondary data gathered from websites, related articles and government reports. The simple random sampling method was used to select the respondent. The collected data was analyzed using percentage and analysis to chart to understand farmers' experiences and effectiveness of fertilizer app. Thank you. The next part will be continued by Spandana.
Thank you, Srinija. Fertilizer app working process. Farmers download the fertilizer app from their Google Play Store. They register using their mobile number and farmers' details. OTP verification is completed to activate the account. Enter crop details and land details into the app. The system checks the eligibility of urea fertilizer. Farmer books required quantity of urea through the app. A booking token or confirmation message is generated. Farmer visit the fertilizer shop and collect urea using token. The next part will be continued by Soumya.
Thank you, Spandana. Coming to the data analysis, we have collected the data from the 35 respondents. In that, 25 farmers, 7 vendors and 3 agricultural officers. Literate farmers can easily operate the fertilizer urea distribution app using smartphones. They can understand OTP verification and biometric authentication and the process of booking fertilizer. Coming to the illiterate farmers can face difficulties in using fertilizer app. Many illiterate farmers depend upon the family members, shop dealers and other farmers for booking fertilizer. 67% of farmers reported that it is easy to use, while other 33% of farmers face minor operational difficulties. The fertilizer app, despite a few technical issues, most of the farmers expressed satisfaction with the digital fertilizer distribution system. Thank you. The next part will continue by Ayesha.
Thank you, Sarma. The next part is findings. Findings are availability of real-time stock information. The fertilizer app provides real-time stock updates which help farmers reduce uncertainty regarding the availability of urea at fertilizer outlet, reduction in waiting time and visits. The app-based system significantly reduces long waiting times and minimizes repeated visits to fertilizer shops and PACS. Control of black marketing. Digital marketing and authenticated transactions help reduce black marketing. Diversion of subsidized fertilizers, improvement in transparency and accountability. The use of digital records and centralized monitoring improve transparency and increased availability in fertilizer distribution. Effective fertilizer subsidy. Subsidized user is reaching genuine farmers most effectively due to proper identification and the distribution through the app. Thank you for listening. We are thankful to our college education Commissioner and our Principal Ma'am. We are happy to express our gratitude to our project supervisor and the staff. Thank you.